Hi guys, let's grow together segment. Today I come with good news, good news, good news. So I'm going to be showing you remote jobs that you can apply for, but then this remote job is specifically for selected countries. Not all countries are eligible for this, but the one country in Africa that is eligible for job tag is South Africa. And then the countries include Brazil, Mexico, and so on. So in this video, I'll show you all the countries that are eligible, how to apply for the job. And this is an 5 to 8 job. It's a full-time job that you can get, and it has a variety of jobs that you can select from. So I'll show you the few jobs that are available, and I'll tell you what this website is about. So please do stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So the website, as I said, it's called JobDuck. I will put the link below for you guys to look at JobDuck. And yeah, www.jobduck.com. About JobDuck. What is JobDuck? JobDeck is an US based company. So JobDeck is more of a third affiliate company. So JobDeck is an HR related company. It's a third affiliate. So the it links the employee to the employer. So what do you do on JobDeck? You apply for your job. After applying for your job, it has several processes that you go through before JobDeck introduces you to the employee. I've done so much research on JobDeck. These are some of the countries that are eligible for JobDeck. Like I said before, not all countries are eligible. So, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, El Salvador, El Salvador, Mexico, South Africa. These are some of the countries that are eligible for JobDeck. So, this job right here, this career opportunity, legal assistant, this is a remote job and it is eligible for South Africans. So like I said before, not all jobs are eligible for all the countries. Okay, before we get into the career opportunities, let's go into the application processes. So the application processes, you go on apply now, it gives you that option on the website. Exploitation, create an account, profile submission, you go through an interview. So on profile submission, you go through taking a pictures of yourself with the signed written job tag. You record a video. There's certain processes that you go through, and they also want to see your workspace, and you are also required to have internet and a laptop. Then job like university, this is the training that you go through. It's a paid training in most cases. And then you sign a contract. After signing a contract, you get an interview. Like I said before, it's a third affiliate. So this process is for you to be part of the job duck family. And then this contract, the US employee interview, is when job duck now introduces you to an employer and you get an interview with the employer. So once the employer likes you, it's time to celebrate, because that automatically means you are hired. What documents will need to be submitted? Your resume, a 300 to 500 word essay explaining why you should be hired from your country, a screenshot of your English test results. I'll show you where to get the English test results. In case you're applying for a marketing assistance role, besides your resume, essay, and English test results, you also need your marketing portfolio in PDF format. So this is for a marketing role. Where can you take the English test? So on the website, it does give you an option for you to take your English test. After taking your English test, you're supposed to screenshot and you also get an email with the results. And then for those that want to know if you can apply um for this job in Spanish, as this is an English speaking role. So this is an English speaking role. All your documents should be in English. So all the forms and everything should be in English. Send in one application for the job you're interested in. So you can't send several applications, like one application at a time. There is testimonies, but let's get into career opportunities. I also want to show you guys what I was talking about, that not all roles are for all the countries. Right. This is 5 locations, but as we saw, it has JobDeck has more than 5 locations that you can apply for. So once you get into the okay, let's get into this. So you see, the remote job tells you the locations that this job is available for. So most of the times you do get these jobs newly. So this was posted 4 days ago. So, like I said, once you get into Job Duck, you can see which countries are eligible for the post that you are applying for. You see, like this one, it says South Africa. It has already told you which country is eligible, even this. So, once you're looking for a job here, you check the locations that the job is under before you apply, because at the end of the day you apply and you'll not be eligible for this. Like you see, this also has South Africa included. It has Argentina, Mexico, and for Africans, South Africa, like I said, South Africa is the only African country that is eligible for all these jobs. So there are several roles you can apply for on JobDeck: receptionist, payroll clerk, HR specialist. There are several jobs that you can apply for. Uh, right now, there are 22 recently added jobs that are available. So you guys can go on JobDeck and see what are the careers that are available for you to go. So you go on your job search and then you apply for your job. So this, yeah, this is for South Africa and it's a recent post. What else? What else? They also have webinars and resources that you can be part of. What's the most important thing that I should go through with you guys today? So, how to apply? Let's go on how to apply. Okay, no, apply now. So, these are the several jobs. Let's go for this one. I'm not going to go through all the processes, but as usual, a person should sign in. You put your email, your password, you create an account, and after creating an account, you put your profile and everything added to it. I have applied for JobDuck. Like I said to you before, I was rejected, and there's a probation period that you have to go through before you can log in and register again. That's why I'm not going into this. But this is not an easy company. It's a very competitive company, and you have to go through all the processes in order for you to be eligible for each and every position. And yes, there is an interview. Yes, your resume is required. And yes, an English test is part of it. But this is one of the most reliable jobs I can tell you guys about, because my cousin is also working for this institution. She was very good. She got to get the job, and congratulations to her. So I can tell you guys, this is tested and it works, and they've got a good pay. Like this job, it's 22,000 rands a month. So you guys do jump on this, and if you are interested in this type of content, please do let me know on my page so that I can continue doing the research and giving you guys all the things that you need. So in the description box, I will put the link to JobDeck. You guys feel free to go and look for those amazing jobs and this amazing opportunity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you very much, guys, for your support.